na kayo.
Nanginit ba siya?
Nanginit siya. Butangan, bitaw na ako mga picture na to dito. Ano ko yung mga picture dito, mga kwan. Ano din siya sa kuha, congrats. Grabe, pero nag-sorry mga po ko. Sorry po ko kung nakoy namali sa post. Nag-sorry po, mabot siya si kuha. Sundalo, pag yun to.
Sundalo?
Oo. Basahan to na, basahan to sa nasa ano, JMRC. Anagod sila nga, you just try this. Sakit sa mata? Kaya ba, kaya? Kani kay scam kita ni ron ba? Sa kaya ni mo scam, ara naguna-una ako, maras scammer. Karang kauna ba, mo ginang scammer ba?
Ayaw ko yan sana, muli ko nagkalit.
Wala na galit ba, left right.
Ngita na po nagdala.
Morning. Ha? Okay lang. Pagkita ni race back. Yawa sa mong sit up na nga. Naka XCR ba, tapos nakakuan pa. May kigligid oh. Pang ano ba, pang road bike. Kaya 26. Power kayo. Ano lang, 71 years old. Pila na yung may dad? Ha? 77? Grabe. Ay lang nagsama si Sir Anton and Anton. Isang panibagong vlog. Ay, dalawa niya. Dito pababa na naman. Barangay Olimpog. Welcome sa Barangay Olimpog mga kaibigan. Tayo no. Bakit? Saya setang.
Ano ka dito? Eh, sibigan na eh. Hindi na ako kasakat rin ba?
Sa kanay na. Kanag yun.
Anak. Anggas na.
Oh, anggas. Ay, ito master oh. Tingala siya, wala. Naguna na siya. Ano na yun ba? Wala yun ba? Naguna o kuhan. Balagin ito video ba? Wag yun. Okay lang.
Target is the mountain.
Grabe lang no, pila ka years na kayo tang nagabike? Mga ano na?
Mga 30.
Ah!
Kalinsan.
Kabot ka na ano tang eh? Kanang mga Cotabato.
Wala diyan sa kuan.
Sa Alabel?
Sa Davao.
Ah! Pero dagan mo grupo sa una.
Murba man.
Ah! Saan na sila? Ah, kuan Japon. Karaan Japon ng mga bikers.
Oh, murba o kuan ang karaan dia dinsan. Kamne.
Ah.
Buhar man ang karaan.
Ayun si Sir James, no? Kasama namin sa Datalangas. Siya yung nag-invite. Ito, angatan na yun. Okay, downhill and uphill.
I thought you said it's been a good warm-up.
Oh, rock up. Another downhill. Totang English na Sir Tim. Kasabot na ba? Kasabot ang English. Lang, arte, wala ba nag-change gear? Matik na, change na yun.
Naging girapido na rin.
Pandayin ba, no? Shifting na ba? Chik 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 chik. Pinakapilaw, ano? Grabe. Una kayo videoan mo. Dokumentary ba? KFGS na yan. Videoan mo kay Paranay, ano? Woohoo! Ang bilis ng namin. Mamaya mag-akyatan na naman. Woo! Isang akyatan. Scared, ayun. Another uphill naman. Ni-acting ko guys. Sana all, naka 6 paus. Tunog ba yaman? Ganun talaga ang mga outfit ng mga mayayaman.
Parang magmumul lang.
Oo, parang magmumul lang. May bag na dala. Pero hindi nyo alam ilang credit card na nanakaw niyan. Woo! Power! Ala ewa, power! Tatang! Tang! Tang, hintayin mo kami, Tang!
Wait!
Tang, makawa ka sa amin! Ikot, ikot, ikot! Hintayin yung tatang mo. Like a cowboy! Ha! I catch a big horse! Woo! Big horse is very small! Oh! Grabe tatang, oh! So strong! 27 years old versus 70! Mag 70 pa lang!
This scenery is what I like when I go up the mountain. It's fresh, it's calming, it's not the highway. Yeah, the highway was.
Pastel! Na! Checkpoint number 3! Pastel!
Wala pa gid libalhin sa pinakadako o diha sa photo. Hindi ang balhin.
Okay?
Not okay.
Not okay? Okay.
Wala pa first time.
It's okay. Makes you relax.
I'm 30.
Okay.
Alta Vista, then
Oh.
another barangay there. Pag-asa.
Yeah, but then you have to come back up.
Yep.
Ahon na po, ahon. Another ahon. Oh, there's a motorcycle. So nakikita na natin ang Jensa, no? Paahon na nga dito, mga paps. Ay, nasa video, nasa video. Get there. Ah. Okay, we're waiting. Wow, yeah. Go, Sir Anton. Yeah. Oh, you're being stronger. Wow. Oh. Oh, that's great.
Oh, that is not fun.
That's great. Another rough road. It's okay. Amazing. Okay, let's go. Morning. Ah. You can do it. You can do it. Wow. Wait, where's my... Oh. Oh no! Are you okay? It's okay.
It's a part of mountain biking.
Did you hurt some part? Or some broken?
No broken.
No, nothing broken. Just my spirit.
Okay.
This is how to...
You're very strong. You can do it.
Kita sa video? Wala.
Kita. The video saw it. What happened to you?
Everything's on the record.
Everything's under control. Oh, it's okay. There's hurt in your part or no?
Nothing.
Just this one? Oh. But you can walk.
I can walk.
Okay. Let's take some rest.
Ooh. Man, that's steep, huh?
Yeah. What happened? Did you brake like that?
No,
Use your brake?
I didn't get up the lip.
Ah,
I missed the lip.
okay. Because there's some part of that. Pa po yung bike ko? Lamidak po ni ano ba? Paangat. It's okay. Just
I tell you what. My head hit the ground. Now I know why we wear a helmet.
the important is that you're okay. Part is hurt.
That's where I landed.
Oh.
Listen, the trail, is it a one-way trail?
You can go back here, but no good. We'll find another way.
I mean the trail to the top, is it easy to follow?
You see,
Yeah, it's not like this
it's not like that.
because some of the cut road.
This is a very difficult one. They're easy.
It's okay for you.
Okay.
You cannot just walk.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can walk. You say it if you want some help.
We'll extend the help. We'll pull you up. Pull you up. Push me.
Did you get that on film for YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're going to be viral.
Old man in the mountain.
The old man is climbing in the mountain. It's okay.
Don't do this at home.
Parental guidance.
Don't do this at home. Don't do this at home.
I'm preparing for the picture.
And now in slow-mo.
Yeah. Thank God you're okay. You have don't broken bones.
No.
Because it's that your age. It's going up. Sige, sige. Okay, I'll bike your, so you can walk. You can walk. Is okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
I will use your bike so that you can
Yeah,
walk.
no, the bike's okay. I thought this was broken.
Oh, okay. Yes. Another extreme. Or too heavy. It's okay. I think it's a bang.
Nothing broken.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Just smile. And they thought there's not happening again.
Hey, I know. I got a good picture for you.
At least you have a remembrance. Okay.
Oh man. Oh.
Nice bottle.
That.
Not
Tell
like
you what was really a surprise was when I landed on my head here.
oh
You realise just how important a crash helmet is, huh?
yeah,
What?
important.
I went
What's
bang.
the purpose of the helmet?
Whoa.
You see Timothy, the one that is no,
First?
the first.
Yeah.
He landed in the creek, cement.
Canal.
Because he don't have brakes. And then he have a second life because his head was hit by cement.
Wow.
And then his helmet was broken. This part
Yeah,
was
yeah.
broken. This one.
Yeah.
So you saw his helmet. There's no like this. So that's crazy. Yeah.
That's very important.
So that's why he used another bike because his bike is not so good. He's using an ordinary bike. But if you are on a trail like this, you need the full brake or must.
You need good brakes.
Yeah, good brakes. Because if you use it ordinary. So far. Panawag pa sir? O adre sa area no? Saan panawag dire?
BG Resort.
Ay resort pa din eh. Nature. Welcome sa Bukharin. Uy, may sapatos pa. Mabuti hindi mainit ngayon. Parang nasa ano tayo no? Pero dito siguro epekto to sa pag-ulan. Laki ng puno oh. Tagal-tagal na rin natin hindi nakabalik dito. Sana kaya yun sila? Yun na. Another uphill. So akyatan nandito. Yan. Kita nyo dito ang bundok. Ah. Ginagawa din dito mga trail. So be careful tayo sa pababa, no? Dito sa Sanchez Peak. This pa rin yung dati. Pakita tayo. Slide talaga. It's been years bago ko nakabalik dito. Tagal pa nila. So may sirang daan dito. Nangyari kaya yung baha. Bulan ka siguro. Patag na. Dito kami ng tuktok ng bundok, no? Yan, isang ahon na naman. Kaya nyo patag, no? Ahon. Kabilang bundok pa yung Sanchez Peak. Another ahon. Welcome to Sanchez Peak, mga kaibigan. It's been a years din bago ako nakabalik dito, no? Grabe. Dati minumotor ko lang to, ngayon binabike ko na. Amazing. Ito pala yung barikot sa dati. So dito ang kabilang Sanchez. Sir, good morning.
Asa mo, Sanchez?
Ambot, kung barikot o Sanchez. Gulat pa na ako itong mga kauban ako sa dalaw.
Daghan mo?
O, dagan may nanay nagsaka.
Wala may bike dito.
Wala yung nagbike dito.
Siguro.
Dari no? Sanchez siguro. Sige sir, ingat. Ito yung barikot na pinuntahan naman ni Gabriel. Ito kami ng buko-buko adventure. So rough road na. Oh. Dito tayo sa kabila. Yan, nagpa-fog na mga paps. You love the nature. Oh, what happened to the mountain? They destroy it. It's got it. Yes, yes. Closer to see the mountain. Wow, see the beauty. So beautiful. Where you go? So beautiful, but if you go downstairs, so dangerous. Right. See, it's so nice, oh.
Beautiful, man.
Yeah. Picture. Oh, nag-fog.
Sige ba, ako na dito sa taas oh.
Grabe, lamig na kayo.
Picture ka dito.
Up. Ay, okay.
Easy.
Some pictures taking.
Walang bukid ah.
Oh.
Walang bukid. Hey sir, come with me. You're the
representative from the UK. Yeah. What a what a day. Oh, you see it? Wow, so wonderful. Fog. The nature. So this one is going down. And one up. Okay. And another down. Just small hops. Woo! It's been far. And another down. Woo! So yeah, that's great. I'm going up. Another change gear. Yeah, you can do it. What happened?
You can do it.
I think this I've got the wrong way. Ayan, ang kapal ng fog oh. Hindi na nakikita yung Jensan. Sobrang kapal ng fog. Hindi na namin nakikita ang Jensan. Daga po disaka karon sir. Wala lang.
And a bronze medal for the United Kingdom. Third.
Go Antonio.
Third place out of 3.
You see the fog? Oh, that's so cold there. Nako. Matatakpan na ang Sanchez Peak mga kaibigan ng hamog. Yun na. Nela sir. Pwede mabanggaan.
Dagan mo sir?
Hindi, gamay lang. Tuwa lang sila. Asa mo alin sir? Sa buko-buko?
Wala, pahingan pa mo dito.
Diretso pa mo dito.
Lagi kayong panahon ro no?
Lagi? Kuan kayo ba kanang ano? Timing kayo. Nag-holiday po ng panahon. Wow, Briton. Igana Trail. Yeah. Going to the mountain. There. There. Ayun bagay ang buwan. Grabe. That's why they're going to trail and Buku Buku Peak.
They're cheating.
Yeah.
They have engines.
But we are powerful. We are powerful than them because we can use our legs, hands, anything.
Even, you know what else we use?
Yeah.
A head.
Yeah.
Bang.
See? See what happened?
Is that Sanchez Peak?
Yeah, that's the one. Grabe, di na makita na Nazir. Okay.
Ito na, magkabuka daw.
Oo. Dapat luto na. So we're heading on Sanchez Peak. This is my first time. Nakapunta na rin ako, nakabalik. Woo! Woo! Natatakpan ng ulap. Anong nangyari? Anong kailangan kong gawin upang magparap ka? So pakit na. Another ahon. Oh, limestone. Kailangan ko nang bumili ng pang dirt. Yan. Uy. Sila. Travis! Ha?
Ako nagdiretso pa mo, nagsigsunod sa likod.
Abi na magkanto migkuan.
Barikot.
Oh,
Abi na ako dito mo.
di naman daw diri ang kaon, so diri na lang mi.
Pero gi ka na magbarikot.
Ay wala man kanto dito.
Nagpaluto man to.
Ha?
Bi, huwag nagpaluto pag isikin mo gayon. Nakita lang ko ba? I-message daw Kuya James.
Woo!
Ano yung kwali kayo no?
Dati gina motor-motor na ako diri ba karon gina bike-bike na lang.
Ayaw sir, mahulog ka sir. Sir, mahulog ka.
Woo! So we're heading sa Baikon. This is Sanchez Peak mga kaibigan. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng Sanchez Peak oh. Pero nag-fog. Sir. Morning. Oh. Wow. Nag-fog yun. Disgrasya na siya ganina. Naanay ang ulo sa bato.
Ha?
Kanang kano.
Unsa man?
Disgrasya siya ganina.
British mo. Natumba siya.
Oh. Bulintong gud. Sakit yan, Drew.
Gidiretso din niya.
Gidiritso niya?
Panaog.
Di, pasaka.
Gidiretso niya.
Congratulations, sir!
Oh. Moto na ano siya, naigo yung Drew. Pero okay man daw siya.
Onya pa na bation niya mo.
Nasi sama Drew.
Eh.
Which one is my bed?
So powerful. Gi-encourage na lang ko namon na siya. Kaya nami, sir, your grandson will see you. You're so hardcore. My grandfather is a hardcore. Grabe.
Grandson says, my grandfather is hardcore, and my son says, no, your father is a fucking idiot.
Boom! Panis! Flip top na!
We did it!
Yeah!
Congratulations!
We did it! We did it!
Okay, kiss.
Gingon pag iniya dito sa kwan, sa mga nagamotor. Gingon yan sa mga motor.
Wala ko kapaluan na. Basta kay amput. Tining.
Gingon.
Wala ko kapaluan na.
Gingon yan sa mga motor ba? Nag-cheat mode daw sila.
Nag-cheat mode.
Tapos kita. Magay og kwan.
Pagka na lang.
Kita mas bike nga sa kwan. Bukid.
Naghangig lang mo, no?